Hey, what's going on everyone? The upcoming Samsung phone, the Samsung Galaxy A03s, has been spotted on multiple tech sites and some of the details of this phone are also being revealed. So in this video, we will talk about all the details we got to know so far about the Samsung Galaxy A03s, like the expected specs and price. For your better understanding, we would recommend you to watch this video till the end. My name is Sovik and welcome to Phone Politics. Let's begin. Before we jump right into the video, if you're still not subscribed to Phone Politics, make sure you hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to get all the notifications about our upcoming videos. Samsung Galaxy A03s price and color options have been surfaced online. The upcoming budget offering from Samsung is expected to be launched in 3 color options. There has been no official announcement from Samsung regarding the launch of the Galaxy A03s, but several leaks and listing on certification websites suggest that it may launch soon. The smartphone has been spotted on US Federal Communication Commission's FCC, Wi-Fi Alliance and the Bureau of Indian Standard, the BIS certification websites, as well as on the benchmarking website Geekbench. Now let's talk about the expected price of Samsung Galaxy A03s. Tipster Sudhanshu Ambore along with 91 Mobiles has said that the 3GB plus 32GB storage variant of the Galaxy A03s could cost around 150 euros, which is roughly around 13,100 Indian rupees. There could be other option configurations on offer, but their prices have not been tipped yet. The tipster also said that Samsung would launch the phone in black, blue and white color options. Now let's talk about the expected specifications of Samsung Galaxy A03s. The Galaxy A03s has been spotted on various certifications and benchmarking websites that have suggested the specifications Samsung may offer on the smartphone. A recent US FCC listing suggests that the phone may pack a 5000 mAh battery that has a UV Rainland certification. Last month, the Galaxy A3s also appeared on Wi-Fi Alliance, hinting that the smartphone may be offered in 2 variants. Alongside, the certifications website also mentioned that the Samsung smartphone could come with a single band Wi-Fi, B/G/N and Wi-Fi Direct. The Bluetooth SIG listing shows that it may come with Bluetooth 5.0. The India launch of the smartphone seems imminent as the Galaxy A3s has been spotted on the BIS certifications website. Additionally, the smartphone's support page is now visible on Samsung website, which mentions that the phone's dual SIM variant will launch in India. The Geekbench listing shows that the Samsung Galaxy A03s could be powered by a 2.30 GHz processor paired with 4GB of RAM. The listed processor has been codenamed ARM MT6765V/WB, hinting that it could be a MediaTek Helio G35 SoC. The listing shows the smartphone scored 136 points in the single core and 847 points in the multi-core tests. So that is all for today's video. We will make a separate video on this when we have all the concrete details of this phone, like the launch date and the confirmed specs and price. Please let me know your thoughts. What do you think about this phone in the comment section below. If you really find this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button and please support us by subscribing to Phone Politics. Also share this video with your friends. Follow us on social medias. The links are in the description. So see you guys in the next one. Sayonara.